guys, welcome to this new channel, which is all about this little fluffy, adorable dog. Her name is Callie. She's 3 years old. This channel is mostly going to be about bully breeds because bully breeds do get a bad reputation. She's the sweetest, loving, big oaf you will ever see in your life. I'll be uploading 3 times a week.
Better.
Maybe more. So please like, please subscribe.